Do legacy style airplanes have power steering? That's a good question. I'm not talking about commercial airliners or fancy planes that are fly-by-wire. I'm talking about legacy old style, particularly like my Citabria, the tail wheel airplane. Well, in a way they do. These are spades that attach to the ailerons to give you sort of like power steering. These were actually a design and a supplemental type certificate that came out in the late 60s by Olin Posh. He designed them, got the STC set up, and I'm doing an annual. As you can see, my airplane's all torn apart. So I decided it would be a good time to install the spades. Now, actually the STC is owned by Rainbow Flying Service, or most people that have this style airplane know him as Rainbow Ron. So there's Ron has his STC. He picked up the original Posh STC for these airplanes. Let me slide under there. Now American Champion has their version. So these mount ahead of the hinge on the aileron. So when you start applying this aileron, when it goes up, the wind catches the spade, it pulls down as the aileron goes up, so it's like power steering for these little airplanes. Now for mine, it's not like I really need it, but since I know Ron, I actually worked for Ron back in the early 1990s. That's where I learned to love these little Citabrias, and it took 40 years for me to end up with my own. So that now that he manufactures them, I thought it would be a fun addition to my airplane. There's my spade installed. And that's the closest I'm gonna have to power steering on this little thing. Not that I need it, but I think it'll be fun. So come along, we'll show you some fun videos when we get it done with annual here and get it back in the air. So that's my version of power steering for a legacy tail wheel airplane. So thanks for watching. Come on back and I'll have more flying adventures with Ruby, my little red Citabria 7AC. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.